Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a table in MS Access. In the last class, we have discussed about that how you can create a database. So let's start. So for creating a table, you need to click on the create option. And after clicking on the create, as you can see, here are some options like the create table design and all the options. We want to create a table, then you have to click on the create table. So let's click on the table. And after clicking on the table, as you can see, the table is here. Now, if you want to add the columns, you can also do that. You need to click on this, and now you have to go to the design view, and now you need to give the table name. For example, I'm going to write the student name here, and then simply hit the OK. And now table is here. If you want to add the columns, for example, and I want to add the column of the father name, and I press the enter and make this change. So as you can see, now it did. Now we have to click on the yes, and now we have to go back here. So as you can see, the table is created and the columns are also created. So in this way, you can create a table in MS Access. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a table in MS Access and how you can create the columns as well. So see you guys in the next video.